Remember back in your youth when you used to slather your body in suntan oil to get that perfect tan? Or when you was a child and your parents put suntan lotion on you so you would not burn? So today I'm going to be helping you relive your youth. I'm going to be making Hawaiian Tropic bath bombs. No, it will not give you a tan, but it will smell like you did.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, the top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
Hello friends, today I am going to be making Hawaiian Tropic bath bombs. Let's get started. Alright, so I already have my dry ingredients in the bowl. It is from my basic bath bomb recipe, which I will post the link to the video down below. So I want to go ahead and stir that until all of the clumps are broken up and everything is mixed together. And the reason why I decided to come up with this recipe was I was asking my husband for ideas for different scents. I says, what kind of a scent does a man like? So I can make manly bath bombs or manly shower steamers. And he says, you know, I really like the smell of Hawaiian Tropic. So I did some research, and they've been trying to make a self-tanning bath bomb, which of course isn't working. But I decided, well, you always put oil in your bath bomb recipe anyway, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, olive oil, whatever. So I decided that I would go ahead and try using the Hawaiian Tropic dark tanning oil. You know, when you put the tanning oil on your skin, it's nice and smooth. So what we need for our wet ingredients, I'm going to do 4 teaspoons of water and 2 teaspoons of this tanning oil. And it doesn't smell as strong as I remember when I used it as a teenager. And in fact, I tried making it with just the tanning oil and no scent, and I couldn't smell it. There's 2 teaspoons of the oil. So I checked and I found Hawaiian Tropic fragrance oil. So I am going to put 2 teaspoons of that in there as well. And it does smell pretty much like Hawaiian Tropic. So I figure between the two of them, it should turn out pretty well. Oh, I can smell it already. It does definitely smell like Hawaiian Tropic tanning oil. And then I'm going to add some brown soap dye. And the reason I'm adding brown because it'll turn out tan, and you know what better way to make Hawaiian Tropic bath bombs than to have a tan bath bomb. And then stir it up. It looks kind of dark like coffee right now, but when it mixes with the dry ingredients, it actually will make a nice tan. Okay, and then I'm going to add just a little bit at a time so as to not activate the citric acid and the baking soda. Be really careful so you don't activate it too soon before it hits your bath water. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit and stir. And a little bit. And stir. And I'll go ahead and finish doing this until it's all fully incorporated and the consistency of wet sand, which is kind of fitting in itself as well because we are going to the beach and getting a tan with this one, right? All right, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, I have all of the liquid incorporated into the dry ingredients. It is a light sandy color, consistency of wet sand. So we'll go ahead and put them in our molds. and then let them dry, and then we'll see how well they turn out. So I have a little starfish mold, perfect for the beach, to feel like you're in your bathtub getting a tan. And you go ahead and just pack them down, just like we always do with our bath bombs. And tanning oil, besides, when you use it out in the sun to get the tan, it is very soft and not harsh on your skin at all. So this will be perfect for a nice, relaxing bath, I feel. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and do another starfish one. And you want to make sure that you pack them down really good so they adhere together and don't fall apart when you try to take them out of the molds. And what I do is I let them dry for 30 minutes, then I flip them over out of the mold for 30 minutes, flip them back over again, put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and then flip them again in the refrigerator and let them dry for another 30 minutes. Being in the refrigerator helps the drying process a little quicker, and flipping them helps them dry on all sides. And then after they are dry, after the 2 hours, then I go ahead and shrink wrap them right away so they don't crack, and then they can finish drying in the packaging, and that seems to work really well for me. Okay, there's another one done, and we'll go ahead and just do a regular bath bomb. And we pack that down. And then add a little bit on the top so it can adhere to the other side. And then we put the two sides together and just squish it tight. Sometimes you may have to give them a little twist, but most of the time I don't do that because I think it turns out better if you don't. And there you have the perfect bath bomb, and we'll let that dry. And we'll do another one. Pack it down, put a little bit on top, pack this one down, and squish them together. And this recipe usually makes about 4 bath bombs. Sometimes you can get a little bit more out of them depending on the size of the bath bombs. And I have a little bit, so I am going to actually go see if I have small molds that I can put 1 or 2 in. And there's another good bath bomb. And we'll be back after they're dry to see how they turned out. It's been 2 hours and they are done. Here's the starfish. Here is the bath bomb. I think my husband will be pleased. I did want to mention with the Hawaiian Tropic Tanning Oil that it does have lanolin, it has mineral oil, it has aloe leaf extract, it has coconut oil, a lot of different ingredients that actually will help soothe and nourish your skin. So I think this is a great idea to make bath bombs out of. So all that is left to do is to go ahead and shrink wrap these and get them ready to go. I have them all shrink wrapped and ready to go. My label and the ingredients. The label and ingredients. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and the bell so you can get future notifications of my videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Comments, suggestions are welcome. And I'll see you next time.